The BSc Civil Engineering course looks to provide the technical, theoretical, practical skills to a student who can then progress and become a fully competent graduate civil engineer. Students learn a variety of topics, including structural analysis and design, civil engineering materials, and how to design environmentally friendly with those materials. This is backed up by laboratory skills and interpersonal skills. During the second year of the course, students come to West Wales with myself and we do a geotechnical and geology field trip where we look at a variety of highway sites and also coastal erosion. The students, when they actually see the geology and touch it, they get a great deal of understanding, and it tends to then cement the understanding that they gain from the classroom. Graduates move on to a variety of careers within civil engineering and building. Students have gone to work with local authorities, with large consultancies like Arup, Knight Brown Contractors, Wilmot Dixon, a whole variety of local and international companies.